In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage a project in Notion from start to finish. We'll walk through a simple, practical workflow you can use to organize your project, keep tasks connected, and track progress clearly as the work moves forward. The goal here is to create a project space that is easy to maintain and useful for both planning and day-to-day execution. Start by opening Notion and either creating a new workspace for project management or opening an existing one where you already keep your work. If you manage multiple projects, it helps to keep everything in one organized area so it's easier to find later. Once you're inside your workspace, create a dedicated project page or open a project page you've already started. Inside that project page, begin building your project plan. Add the core details that will define the project, including the main goals, the deadlines you need to hit, and any important context or notes that should stay visible throughout the life of the project. This page becomes your central reference point, so try to keep it clear and focused. Think of it as the place where anyone involved can quickly understand what the project is about and what success looks like. Next, add a task list connected to the project. This is where you break the larger plan into actionable items. Keeping tasks tied directly to the project makes it much easier to stay organized and avoid losing track of work. As you add tasks, make sure each one is specific enough to be completed and reviewed without confusion. Once your tasks are in place, explore the different project views available in Notion. You can use a table view for a structured overview, a board view for a more visual workflow, a timeline view to see how work is spread over time, or a calendar view to focus on dates and upcoming deadlines. Each view gives you a different perspective, so choose the one that best matches the way you like to manage work, or switch between them as needed. After that, assign owners and due dates to your tasks. This step is essential because it creates accountability and makes priorities much clearer. When every task has a person responsible for it and a target completion date, the project becomes much easier to manage. As work progresses, keep updating task statuses so the project reflects what is actually happening. Mark tasks based on where they are in the workflow and continue adjusting them as progress is made. This keeps everyone aligned and helps you spot delays early. Finally, review the project page regularly until the project is complete. A consistent review habit helps you catch issues, confirm progress, and keep the entire project moving in the right direction. That's how you turn Notion into a reliable project management system.